Hey guys, welcome to the third lecture of unemployment in India, and today we are going to learn measures to reduce unemployment. Now see, in the last lecture, in the second lecture, we have seen the causes of unemployment. So now we are going to see today how to solve those reasons, how to solve those causes, and thereby we are going to see measures to reduce unemployment. That means what all things we can do to solve this problem or to reduce this problem of unemployment. Let us start with the answer. Number one, development of agricultural sector. See, by this what we mean is we should diversify the activities which are allied activities. Allied means related. The activities related to the agricultural sector such as dairy activities, poultry, fisheries, etc. What will happen is once we diversify the activities, then the workforce which is working in the agricultural sector, the farmers as well as the labor, they will find job throughout the year due to these allied activities, and thereby it will be easy, it will work out to reduce the seasonal and disguised unemployment which is especially found in the agricultural sector and rural area of our economy. So thereby we can sort out this problem of rural unemployment, the seasonal and disguised unemployment. Second, skill development and vocational training. As we have seen and we know that we pass out, the graduates pass out every year, fresh workforce is ready to enter the market, but the problem is that the workforce doesn't possess the skills required by the market or the skills required by the industry. That means in short we may say there is lack of practical knowledge, and hence through government schemes or even through private sector, different skill development programs should be undertaken whereby the students may learn the industry required skills, whichever skills are actually working and are actually required in the industry. So thereby actual training, actual job training, vocational training can be given. So first one was development of agricultural sector, second skill development and vocational training. Third thing is development of infrastructure. Government should take up large scale public projects, public work activity should be undertaken such as construction, development of roads, energy sector, then digital connectivity sector. See, what will happen is once the government undertakes big projects, large projects, then but natural to finish these projects, to for the working of these projects or carrying out of this project, government will require more and more labor, more and more workforce will be required. So thereby there will be double benefit. One is economy will improve, infrastructure facilities will improve, and in this process, during this process, the people will find more job creation, generation of more jobs will take place. So this was the third point, development of infrastructure, double benefit. Next point number 4, use of labor intensive technique. As we have seen, there is too much modernization and modern techniques taking place day by day. That is okay, modernization should be there, technological upgradation should be there, but still the government should also support the labor intensive techniques. Labor intensive means the sectors where maximum use of manual labor is done. That is called labor intensive sectors such as textiles, handloom, construction, etc. In these sectors, more and more actual workforce is required, manual labor is required. So if these sectors are promoted, then more people will find job, and hence government should promote labor intensive techniques, labor intensive sectors. Next point, point number 5, rural industrialization. See, we have seen there is a problem of migration. That means from rural areas, people come to cities in search of job. So here, the proposal is more and more industries should be set up in the rural areas so that rural population will find job there itself, and hence this will help to solve the problem of migration and unemployment. And moreover, the burden on the cities will also be reduced if rural people find job there itself. So rural industrialization is also one of the solution to the problem of unemployment. Then point number 6, education reforms. This is very important point. Education reforms. Reforms mean changes. Education system should be such that it should focus on the job oriented education. More of the practical knowledge and required skills should be taught rather than just book education. Not only theory but the practical should be taught, and people should be given, children should be given practical knowledge and required skills, so that once their degree is over they should be in a position to take up the job immediately. Then point number 7, development of tourism. See, if more tourism is developed, then thereby also the area also prospers. Wherever the tourism is developed, there the local people find the job due to increased tourism. They also set up some business. They find the source of income due to the developed tourism. So that was the 7th point. And 8th one, motivation for self-employment. Government should promote and motivate self-employment so that the government burden of providing more jobs and creating more jobs will be reduced. So these were the points. I repeat the points in short. Measures to reduce unemployment. First, development of agricultural sector. Second, skill development and vocational training. Third, development of infrastructure. Fourth, use of labor intensive techniques. Fifth, rural industrialization. Sixth, education reforms. Seventh, development of tourism. And eighth, motivation for self-employment. That's it for today. If you understood this lecture, if you find this helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.